Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can send money with Zelle Chase Bank. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any preferred browser, go over to Chase Bank, enter your username and password in order to sign in. Now, to pay someone either on mobile banking app or online banking, just follow these steps. Step 1. Sign into your Chase mobile banking app, then tap on Pay and Transfer. Step 2. Tap Send Money with Zelle. Step 3. Choose the person you want to pay or add a new one. Step 4. Enter the amount to send and amount to use. Step 5. If you want to set up a recurring payment, you can enter those details too. Step 6. Tap Review and Send. Step 7. Review your request and tap Send it now to send the money. And that's how you can send money with Zelle Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.